Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I showed you step by step how to connect your website with Google Analytics. If you have not seen that video yet, the link in the description below. Go check it out first if you are new to this. So after setting up everything, I start checking my website analytics regularly. But here's the problem I faced. Every time I wanted to see my traffic, I had to log in separately to the Google Analytics website. Honestly, it felt like too many steps, especially when I just wanted a quick look at how my website was doing. So that's when I thought, why not to bring those analytics directly into my WordPress dashboard? That's why I can check everything in one place, right where I manage my website. No need to switch tabs or log into another site. It will save time and make things super convenient. So there is an official and easy way to do this. So in today's video, I will going to show you how to add this Google Analytics information in my WordPress dashboard. So now go to your WordPress dashboard. In the left menu, click on plugin and add a new plugin. In the search bar, type SiteKit. You will see the first plugin named SiteKit by Google Analytics Search Console AdSense Speed. This is the official plugin by Google, so it's safe and trusted. Click Install Now, and once it's installed, click Activate. After activation, you will see a new menu on the left side called SiteKit. Click on it, then click Dashboard. Now let's start the setup. You will see a box saying Connect Google Analytics as a part of your setup. Make sure this is checked, then click Sign in with Google. Choose the same Google account that you used to create your Google Analytics property. This is very important, otherwise it won't find your analytics data. Now you will see a few checkboxes. These are the permissions SiteKit need to work properly. Things like view your Google account, email, managing Search Console data, accessing your Google Analytics. You can read through them, but it's safe to check them all because they are necessary for SiteKit to show you the right stats in your dashboard. Click Continue. Now SiteKit will guide you through 4 quick steps. Step 1 is verify the site ownership. Google needs to know that you own the website. SiteKit will add a verification token automatically to your website using a code. So just click Verify. It's done in one click. Now the step 2 is to enable a matrix in your dashboard. So this allows SiteKit to show your traffic, clicks, bounce rate and more right inside your WordPress dashboard. Click Allow to continue. Now the third step is to set up a search console. This helps you to see what keywords people use to find your website on Google, how many impressions and clicks you are getting and more. So click Setup. Again, just one click. Now the fourth step is connect Google Analytics. Now it's time to bring your analytics into WordPress. So click Next, and SiteKit will fetch the data from your Google Analytics account. So it takes you to the WordPress dashboard. Here you can see some Google Analytics information. Just click on Complete Setup, and that's it. You have successfully added Google Analytics to your WordPress dashboard. Now whenever you are logged into your WordPress, you can go to SiteKit dashboard and you can see your visitors, page view, traffic sources and top performing pages, all without logging into the Google Analytics again and again. So that's how you make your life easier by bringing all the analytics right inside WordPress using a SiteKit by Google. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my future videos. And if you have any question or get stuck anywhere, drop a comment below and you can contact me through my website as well. Thank you so much and I will see you in the next video.